Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So this is the last day we stay in Las Vegas, and we are about to leave. And I have something like 3 or 4 hours window that I can use by myself. And while I was waiting, my family doing some other things, so I was thinking maybe I should do my routine thing. I went to Costco. There is something about me that is so I'm quite embarrassed, ashamed, or about myself. I always want to visit Target, Costco, library, grocery store, Safeway ones, and those kind of most common everyday people's place, not even boutique. Of course, it is fun to visit downtown boutique, but those places makes me feel so very at home. And I see the same chain of store and have different appearance sometimes. And this Costco is Las Vegas is exactly. I always heard that Costco have some special local produce from time to time. I have seen some. The one from my city and from Livermore, from Redwood City, sometimes have a little bit difference in produce or in some specialty. But this one is exactly the same as where I get from my home. And I was fascinated by the logistic business or the big company chain arrangement business. It's a very fascinating thing, don't you think so? Yeah, don't you think so? Something that I need to drive so far away, yet so same. I drove 2 days, 3 days until I arrive at Las Vegas and visit this Costco, and it sells exactly the same thing. I mean, it is very natural. They are same chain. They have a global management of products of purchase, and still I was just fascinated by it. It must be very childish to think about it. I want to understand a little bit of how the world works, how those things works, and I just that's my thought about this little thing. I'm interested in it. Anyway, so after visiting the Costco, I still have some time on my way back, and I was just seeing the road sign. There is a city. I open up my GPS, and there is a library surrounding. So in the surrounding area, so I went to that place. So here is the Henderson County Library in Las Vegas. It's a new city. I do not understand how new it is, but I feel it is quite a new city. The city streets are wide open, not yet so many trees. I mean, the trees has not yet grown so big. When we build a new city, we build the streets, we plant trees along the streets, and when you see the tree size and the cover art, the canopy or canopy, the canopy, the tree shade size, you can understand how old or how young the city is, right? That is my indication of a development area. and the trees are not fully covered the streets, and also this is a desert area. So the city is quite young, and the library is bright, open, and the design is old and new. It's not that recently built in this decade, at least not right now. Now we are building libraries and building public function buildings with a lot of iron and steel, aluminum and glass, and this feels like still a brick building, or at least construction with cement, with brick, with tile on the surface, and it looks very pleasant and roomy and bright. Henderson County Library, and something attract me is the art exhibition. The library itself is not a huge library, but fully functional and well arranged, shall I say. It's very well arranged, very effectively, efficiently staffed. Anything you want, there is a section about it. And but particularly interesting is they have a relatively larger exhibition space. The couloir corridor has art exhibition, and this exhibition is the county, the local photography exhibition. I can see the landscape, I can see this area, beautiful pictures, and it's not only beautiful but very interesting. You can see the landscape. There was one picture of the lake. Lake Mead is one of the biggest lake in this area. Lake Mead, you can see the water line, layer after layer, mineral line, water line, because the water recede, the water level goes down. You can see from the very top layer, the first line, until the very bottom line. It's just fascinating to see the different layer. It could be the age, the water line. It could be the mineral line, the layer of minerals of that geologic formation. And it's just fascinating to see it. And I had a lot of fun. And as I was just about to continue with my visit, wandering around on the outside park, there is a beautiful park there also. Not so much tree covered, but it's a very well arranged park. And on my way back home, and then just at this time, I received a phone call. You need to come back. We need to leave. So I was driving back, and a new place, a new fascinating thing for me to see. I enjoyed it. Henderson County. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.